immense love for Bangladesh. Let me tell you something. Whenever we talk about Bangladesh in Pakistan, we do it with the care. We do it with the care, despite all the history and everything that what has gone wrong. But you know, nowadays in my age and the whole country in Pakistan, I tell you honestly, bottom of my heart, they love you. They care about you. They care about your country. You're very concerned about your country, and I'm sure in times to come, inshallah, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, all the Malacca states and come forward together. We will inshallah grow as a one nation, as a one unit, as a one region, and we'll make sure that each one of us thrives and take the benefits and the fruits of the economy. And that is my praise and that's my wish. In times to come, I hope everything settles down between all the regions and let us country and let us our region prosper and thrive together.
Thank you.